Hello, science lovers. You're watching Easy Science Hub, where we turn tough topics into simple, visual explanations. Did you know that some of the tiniest cells in the world can function without even having a real nucleus? Or that some cells have complex factories inside them, while others manage with almost nothing? In today's video, we'll explore the key differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells, and by the end, you'll never confuse the two again. Let's begin with the most important difference, the nucleus. Prokaryotic cells, like bacteria, don't have a true nucleus. Their DNA is loose in the cytoplasm inside a region called the nucleoid. Eukaryotic cells, found in plants, animals, fungi, and protists, do have a well-defined nucleus enclosed in a double membrane. Now comes an area where many students get confused. Some students think that prokaryotic cells have membrane-bound organelles, but they didn't having any membrane or having single membrane. That's totally incorrect. Prokaryotes do not have any organelles enclosed in membranes. Eukaryotic cells have several membrane-bound organelles like mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, each with specific roles. Prokaryotic cell walls are usually made of peptidoglycan. Eukaryotic cell walls, if present, like in plants, are made of cellulose, and in fungi, chitin. Remember, animal cells don't have a cell wall. Both cell types have a plasma membrane, but in eukaryotes, it's more advanced, involved in cell signaling, communication, and transport. Prokaryotic cells are tiny, around 0.1 to 5 micrometers. Eukaryotic cells are larger, usually 10 to 100 micrometers. Prokaryotes have circular DNA, with no histones and minimal RNA processing. Eukaryotes have linear DNA, tightly coiled around histone proteins, and their RNA is spliced before translation. Both have ribosomes, but prokaryotic ribosomes are smaller, 70s, and float freely. Eukaryotic ribosomes are larger, 80s, and can be found on the rough or floating in cytoplasm. Prokaryotes reproduce by binary fission, a simple and fast process. Eukaryotes reproduce via mitosis or meiosis, which are more complex and controlled. Prokaryotes, bacteria, cyanobacteria, blue-green algae. Eukaryotes, plants, animals, protists, fungi. To wrap it up. Prokaryotes, no nucleus, small, simple, no membrane-bound organelles. Eukaryotes, true nucleus, complex, larger, full of specialized organelles. Both are essential to life, and now you know exactly how they're different. If you found this video helpful, then show some love by hitting like, share, and subscribe to Easy Science Hub for more smart science breakdowns. Have any doubts or suggestions for the next topic? Drop them in the comments, I always reply.